What's up everybody, Lucas here. Without further ado, finally the video you've all been requesting and waiting for. How to do a front flip inside of the house with a few simple hacks. Pay attention, by the end of this video, you'll be front flipping your way around the house, breaking everything in sight. But you gotta focus. You wanna put something soft to land on the ground. I'm using a mattress. If you don't have a mattress or you can't use it, you can do the couch cushions stacked together with a blanket over it. That's a good landing pad. I like the mattress, okay? When it comes to learning the front flip, first things first, we gotta understand the mechanics of it. So the first thing I'm gonna want you guys to do is actually do a front roll. Now, when you do a front roll normally, you go from one shoulder to the opposite hip. So like that. And that's almost more of like a side flip. Not exactly, but more of like a side flip than a front flip. When we do our front roll for the front flip, we're gonna go straight over, and that's why you wanna have a soft surface down, because if you go straight over on the hard ground, it's gonna go on your spine. So straight over is like this. All right, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do the front roll, but I want you to do it either on the wide side of your mattress or set up your couch cushions so you have about 5 to 6 feet before it reaches the ground. Is we're gonna have a little bit of room at the end where our feet can come off, go down to the ground. What am I talking about? Watch, just like this. You see how I roll over the mattress and then I'm on the ground? So I have some clearance, right? And it's easier to stand up. Boom, up, all right? This is gonna get you used to that feeling of going and turning around forward, which is, a lot of people think it's easy, but it's not easy to land, all right? What I would recommend doing now is building an apparatus. Yeah, my favorite thing to do. On the edge of the bed, a little bit over waist high, all right? What we're gonna do now is we're going to work on this portion of the front flip that is crucial. When you go to do a front flip, you're gonna jump with your legs, right? So you're jumping up with your legs, you're throwing down with your arms. Most of the time for most people, that force with their arms is more powerful than the jump with their feet. They just end up sending right into the ground. They land low on the front flip. This next exercise I'm gonna show you is gonna help you get a nice even or a higher height on your front flip, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna work on compensating for that downward arm motion with the butt popping up. So it's all gonna work together. Put your hands on it like this. What you're gonna do is you're gonna work on just jumping while keeping your arms on it, jumping with your feet. I want you to feel your butt going up and your upper body staying stationary. And that feeling is what you need to transfer over when you do the front flip. So you worked on your front rolls, you worked on your butt pop. And now what are we gonna do? Roll over it, okay? So you can use your arms in this too. Your arms can come down as your butt pops up, like this. And try to just roll right over your apparatus. You wanna use this to help you sync up the downwards arm so you get the rotation with the butt pop up, so you get the height and the spin. Work on that until you can feel the difference. You can feel your body starting to turn, but you can also feel your butt coming up and whipping you around until where you almost land on your feet on the mattress. Next thing, the block. What is a block? That's where you put your legs out on a slight angle. So when I'm running forward, I put my legs out and I jump on this angle, and it's gonna turn some of that horizontal momentum into height, into vertical momentum. It's gonna get me higher. All you gotta do is kind of work running up to this spot, putting your legs out in front of you, and then just jumping, hopping. Don't wanna hit the fan, okay? Just work on putting those legs out on an angle. So without the block, looks like this. With the block, it's gonna look like this. A little bit more of an angle. Final straw here. You gotta combine everything together now. You can leave this apparatus down. You can run up to the edge of the bed. You can block. What I want you to do is when your butt comes up, that's when your arms come down. You're gonna tuck over your apparatus forward. Try to land close to your feet on the mattress to start. I would use an obstacle because it's gonna force you to go over it. Work on throwing your body up and then flipping down, using the butt popping up and the block to get the extra height. The rotation, you want to tuck tight so you get all the way around. When you get about a little bit over 45 degrees from the tangent, that's when you open back up. You land it. Slowly remove more and more. You can make it a little teepee. You want to be almost landing on the mattress before you actually go for it, or landing on your couch cushions. And then finally, when you're gonna go for it, you just gotta literally pretend like it's all still there. Hardest part. Yeah. So when you do go for the front flip, you wanna chain everything together, all right? The arm swinging down with the block, with the butt pop to get you compensated for that loss of height with the arms going down. Spin around, you're gonna land, and you're gonna land just like that feeling when we first did those rolls over the mattress and we, squatted up from the mattress, okay? It's very similar to that feeling, except for you're totally in the air now. Be ready for it. Don't get loose when you go for the front flip. You wanna be ready for that landing, okay? Especially your first couple of times, be ready for that landing. Try to absorb it like you'd be landing at any kind of jump, so you don't just smack down. Be safe. If you don't have enough room, you know what? Just wait to go outside. If you're not feeling it, just hire a coach, all right, or somebody. Thank you guys so much for watching, everybody. Hope this video helps you all out. With that being said, if you guys are looking to get in shape or stay in shape during these cold winter, spring months, check out my 12-week calisthenics program, Bodyweight Beast. That's bodyweight training only. Tons of positive feedback on that. Thank you guys so much for all that. And thank you guys for the positive feedback on these videos. More videos to come, so don't forget to subscribe. Peace. I'll see you all in the next video.